Hi guys. In today's video, I'm showing you how to update Monopoly Go. The process is quite simple and easy. The first thing is, if you are an Android user, then open your Google Play Store. But if you are an iPhone user, then open your Apple Store. I am an Android phone user, so I am opening my Google Store. After it open, you can see your profile icon on the right top. Tap on this one, and tap on the first option, Manage Apps and Device. And here you can see 77 apps pending. All these apps need to be updated. You can find your application here. If your app is not up to date, but if you have too many apps and hard to find your application here, then no worries, go back from here. After going back, tap on the search bar icon and write the name for your application. After writing, tap on that. And here's the application, tap on it. And if your application will not be updated, then you will not be able to see this option, Play. Here you will see the option, Update. So tap on it and update your application. So it was the basic way by which you can update your Monopoly application.